Welcome back to our Facebook and Instagram ads beginners course. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to boost your Facebook post engagement to get more likes, comments, and video views. And also to point out, this particular video is part of a complete course on Facebook and Instagram ads for beginners. And I'll be leaving the link in the description for you to access other videos available under this particular course. So yeah, to boost your Facebook post to get more engagement, I'll be showing you how to do that via the Ad Manager app. So I already have the Ad Manager app installed and opened up on my device right here. So to get started, I'll just click on this button here to select objective. Then I'll just click on engagement because that's the objective I want to use. Then I'll just select get post engagement. So after selecting the get post engagement, then I can change the campaign name if I want to, but I'll be leaving this particular campaign name. Then for the special ad category, I'll be leaving it at none because this particular ad does not fall under any special ad category. So I'll be clicking on the budget to change my budget. So I'm going to set my budget at 10,000. Yeah, so my budget is at 10,000, but that does not mean that you cannot go higher than 10,000 or lesser than 10,000. But just know that the higher the budget, the higher the post engagement you're going to get. So yeah, I'll just click on next. So once I click on next, I'll still leave the asset name to new post engagement. Then I'll just select schedule. So the start date is actually today's date, but the end date, to set the end date, I'll just toggle this on. So as you can see here, Facebook by default sets your end date 1 month after your start date. But for this particular video, I'll be leaving it at the end date. But if you want to change this particular end date, you can actually click here and select the end date. But I'll be leaving it at this particular end date. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on optimization, edit optimization and delivery to be sure that every single thing is in place. And looking at the optimization for ad delivery, it is set on post engagement, which is actually what I want it to be set on. So I'll just click on done. Yeah, and then I'll just go back. So once I go back, I'll now click on audience. So this is where I set the kind of people that I want to show my ads to get more post engagement and comments. So for the location, I'll be leaving it at Nigeria. For detailed targeting, you can actually add and exclude people, different interests that you want them to see your ads. You can actually do that here. I'll be leaving a card to a video that I did explaining every single thing about audience targeting, detailed audience targeting, every single thing you need to know, what to select, what not to select. I'll be leaving a card on the screen for you to actually watch that particular video. So I can also set my minimum and maximum age, gender, I'll leave it at all, languages, I'll just leave it at all for this particular video. So I'll just go back, then I'll select placement. So for this particular campaign, I'll be leaving it at advantage plus placement because I want Facebook to actually recommend the placement for this particular ad. For any other ad, I can actually change to manual. I'll also be leaving a card on the screen on a video that I explain everything that has to do with Facebook placement. Yeah, I explain everything from A to Z about placement settings, what to use and what not to use as well. But for this particular video and for this particular campaign especially, I'll be leaving it at advantage plus placement. So I'll just go back, then I'll just click on next. So once I click on next, this is where I set my ad. So I'll be leaving the ad name at the new post engagement ad. Then I'll just click on identity. So the identity part is where you select the Facebook page that you want to actually select the post that you want to boost to get more engagement on your post. Then as you can see, Instagram is also linked here. The reason why Instagram is linked here is because this particular Facebook page has an Instagram account linked to it. There's also a video that I did that I'll also be leaving a link in the description to show you how to connect an Instagram handle to your Facebook page. So I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to actually get to watch that particular video. So yeah, I'll just go back because this is the page I want to actually get my post from. Then I'll click on the post to actually select the exact post that I want to boost. So this particular post, as you can see here, I can either select from Facebook or select from Instagram because Instagram is actually connected to this particular Facebook page. So if the post I want to post is actually on Instagram, I'll be selecting Instagram. I'll find the post and then select. But the post I want to post is actually on Facebook. So I'll just be selecting this particular first post because that's the one I want to post to get more engagement on that particular post. So yeah, I'll just go back. The post has been selected. Then I'll click on add creative. So add creative is where you set your call to action. So by default, Meta Facebook usually leaves it at learn more, but you can actually change that. I usually like using send WhatsApp message. Yeah, that's the one I usually like using. So I'll just go back since I've selected my ad creative. Then the next thing I'll do is to just click on review. So once I click on review, Facebook is going to allow me to go through all the settings I've done so far, also preview the ads in particular, and be sure that everything is in place. Once everything is in place, I'll just click on publish. So once I click on publish, the ad goes into the review process, and after review process, the ad actually goes live. So yeah, this is how you actually boost your Facebook post to get more engagements like likes, comments, video views. And I believe this particular video has been helpful to you. If you are new to this channel or probably a returning viewer, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel, because these are the kind of contents that we do upload on this channel on weekly basis. And also, I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me, just in case you want us to handle your advertising for you. We also do other forms of advertising as well, or maybe you just want to have a one-on-one conversation with me regarding meta advertising or any issue at all you're having. I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me. Yeah. So with that being said, until our next video, peace out.